In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate of this Xiaomi. First of all, go into settings and scroll down to access display. Now scroll down again, click on refresh rate and tap on the best option for you, default or custom. If you want to set up custom, you need to choose refresh rate below it and click on the best one for you. I will go with the highest one. So now when I go back, as you can see, refresh rate of my Xiaomi has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!